Hey everyone, what's up? It's MKBHD here, and today we're diving deep into something crucial: home security. Let's face it, peace of mind is priceless, and that's where a top-notch CCTV system comes in. We're talking about the Smar wireless CCTV system. This system packs a punch when it comes to features and reliability. So, stick around as we break it all down. First up, let's talk about why you even need a security system. It's simple, really. Protecting your home and loved ones is paramount. You want to know what's happening around your property, even when you're not there. That's where the Smar wireless CCTV system shines. It's not just about recording footage, it's about having eyes on your home 24/7. Imagine being able to check in on your home from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just out for a walk, you can always stay connected. The Smar wireless CCTV system comes with a user-friendly mobile app that sends real-time alerts. So, if there's any unusual activity, you'll know instantly. Plus, the installation is a breeze. No need for professional help. You can set it up yourself in no time. With the Smar wireless CCTV system, you're not just investing in technology, you're investing in peace of mind. So let's dive into the features and see what makes this system a must-have for every home. Stay tuned and let's get started. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes this system truly special. First off, we've got a rock-solid signal. We're talking about a stable connection with minimal lag, thanks to its advanced wireless technology. Gone are the days of choppy footage and dropped connections. This system stays connected, so you never miss a beat. But wait, there's more. The Smar system doesn't just record everything blindly. It's got your back with intelligent human detection. That means it can differentiate between a person and, say, a stray cat. No more constant false alarms. You get notified only when it truly matters. Plus, you can customize the detection zones to focus on specific areas of your property. Talk about smart security. Next up, let's dive into the world of cameras. The Smar wireless CCTV system boasts some seriously impressive optics. We're talking dual lens technology that sets it apart from the rest. Yeah, you heard that right. Dual lens technology. This means you get a wide-angle view to capture the big picture and a telephoto lens for zooming in on the details. Imagine being able to see both the entire yard and the intricate details of a visitor's face. Whether it's someone approaching your front door or activity down the street, you'll see it all in crystal clear clarity. No more guessing or squinting at blurry images. And don't even get me started on night vision. This feature is a game changer. This system doesn't mess around when the sun goes down. It seamlessly transitions from day to night, ensuring you never miss a moment. It's equipped with a dual light source design, which is perfect for any lighting condition. You get infrared LEDs for black and white night vision and bright spotlights for full color illumination. This means you can choose the best lighting option for your needs. So, even in complete darkness, you'll have a clear view of what's going on. Whether it's a raccoon rummaging through your trash or an unexpected visitor, nothing will escape your notice. With the Smar wireless CCTV system, you can review footage anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone. It's like having a security guard in your pocket. Day or night, rain or shine, this system has got you covered. It's the ultimate solution for keeping your property safe and secure. But here's where the Smar system really sets itself apart: two-way audio. That's right, you can actually communicate through the camera, making it more than just a passive observer. It's got a built-in speaker and microphone, so you can hear what's happening and even talk back. Imagine being able to give instructions to a delivery person or check in on your kids while you're away. Whether you want to deter intruders with a stern warning or just say hi to your dog walker, this feature adds a whole new level of interaction to home security. It's like being present even when you're not physically there. And if that wasn't enough, the camera also boasts PTZ movement, which stands for pan, tilt, and zoom. PTZ stands for pan, tilt, and zoom. This means you can adjust the camera's view to cover more ground and get a better look at specific areas. Basically, you can control the camera's movement remotely. This is especially useful for large properties or areas with multiple points of interest. Pan across your property, tilt up or down, and zoom in on specific areas, all from your smartphone. This gives you the flexibility to monitor different parts of your property without needing multiple cameras. It's like having a virtual security guard at your fingertips, providing you with peace of mind and enhanced control over your home security system. With these advanced features, you can ensure that your property is always under watchful eyes, no matter where you are.